Welcome to our daily motivational videos. Today I'm going to discuss 7 habits that will keep you to be poor, and also share you how to overcome it, so please stay tuned. Before I start it, please subscribe the channel and share it. Here are the 7 habits that keep you to be poor in life. 1. Living beyond means, spending more than one earns either salary or other incomes consistently can lead to debt and financial instability. To prevent this to happen, one should avoid to use more than his or her earns. 2. Lack of budgeting, failing to track expenses and create a budget can result in poor financial management. This not only cause person poor, also it's contributing regret and bitter memories in the future. So, before you become a victim of this, plan it well to your expense by budgeting for any unnecessary or unexpected issue happen. This will not bring to a shock because the little savings you made will cover it. I hope that this little trick can save you. 3. Not saving money, not prioritizing saving for emergencies or future goals can leave a person vulnerable to financial shocks. As we all know, life that is unpredictable, we must expect the worst. And also best so that we live in a balanced way. This not gives you patience during hardship. But 4. Ignoring investments. Many people, they ignored the power of investment. Neglecting to invest your money for growth potential can limit long-term wealth accumulation. So many people, they come to notice later of their lifetimes by not investing a portion of their money, which may be profitable. Also gives you to make savings, which is very important to the future challenges, so do save it before it's too late. So let's try to invest our money, our mind and soul. This will give you advantage to the rest of our colleagues. 5. Impulse buying. Many of us, we especially the teenagers, love buy things that is our primary needs. Giving into impulse purchases without considering their long-term impact on finances, which brings bankruptcy or heavy debt. Impulse buying should be avoided or limited. By doing this, will gives you freedom of financial restrictions in the future and will boast you to build healthy wealth into your future. 6. Not seeking financial education. Many people mostly forget when they have money or looking opportunities, but knowledge itself are money. Lack of knowledge about personal finance can lead to poor decision-making, and any financial institution or ideology needs a knowledgeable person who knows how to run that financial system by take some measurements which prevent business risks. This shows us how important is knowledge. 7. Unhealthy lifestyle choices. As technology comes our daily basis, it comes some serious health risks, which affects our financial status. Poor health habits can result in high medical expenses and lost income due to illness. Many people, they lost jobs due unable to work, which may also affect financially. One should choose healthy lifestyle so that her or she can live happily healthy life. That is our videos for today. Please consider to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.